Good morning, children. Today we will read chapter 10 in moral science. The title of the chapter is Count Your Blessings. In this chapter, it has been given that we should never curse anything unappealing in our life. Everything has a purpose. So God has bestowed everything on His creatures as per their need and environment. God has blessed the birds, animals, and insects so that they can protect and manage themselves. The thirst for more makes a man restless. So, unnecessary, we should not demand for it. And the gift of able, functional body should fill us with gratitude towards God. Whatever God has given to us, we should be thankful to Him. We should never curse our shortcomings or deficiency. We should try to make most of what we have. And we should be thankful to God that whatever we have got in our life. And we should be selfless in our giving. Whoever requires or whoever is needy, we should help him, we should give him. So, we should accept whatever we have and give away whatever we can. How can we reach out our help to the needy people? It is very important. Here is a story also. Rahim and Robin were studying in class 8. The entire class was joining the trip except both of them. What was the reason? The reason was their parents were not rich enough to fund their trip, or they were not able to manage the money for them. They left home in anger. So on the way, they saw two boys, and both the two boys were rag pickers, and they were wearing dirty and torn clothes. They were collecting the rags for earning their livelihood. Rahim and Robin asked the boys why they did not go to school, why they could not wear clean clothes. So the rag pickers told both of them that if it was not enough that they had two hands and 2 feet to work and fill their stomachs. So this is how they helped their parents. They also requested Rahim and Robin to help them to read and write in their spare time. So this incident made Rahim and Robin change their mind. So they realized the importance of blessings or the things whichever they have got in their life. So they stopped cursing all those things which they did not get in their life. So, my dear children, the moral of this lesson is that we should never curse unnecessary for those things that we have not received in our life. We should be thankful to God, whatever we have received, whatever we have got.